Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping back by. Thank you so much for checking me out and seeing what I got going. If this is your first time in my little space, welcome to the Trice Tribe. I hope you decide to stay. If you do, which you should, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl. I'm so excited. Today, I decided to do this yellow look. Y'all, I was never a person that really liked yellow like that. I thought it was cute, but I don't know, lately, I've been feeling like the oranges, the yellows, the neon pinks, the lime green, slime season, like that's just been my whole mood ever since it got a little bit warm outside. I don't know if it's the weather or if it's just me trying to be a little bit more colorful and bring a little bit more spice into my life. I love when stuff come together, when the aesthetic is working in my favor, okay? And it's working today, baby girl. It's working. I also put on this old wig. I forgot I had this wig, but it's just a vibe. I did a review on it. It is on my channel if you want to purchase it. It's somewhere back when. I bought this a long time ago. I did skip face in this video too. I just posted a foundation routine, so nothing really has changed. This is more so focused on the eyes and the lips and the faux freckles. So if you want to see how I kind of do my face, make sure you check out my foundation routine. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it and enjoy it. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you want to see how I achieve this really pretty summer, spring, anytime you actually want to wear it type of bright yellow look, then just keep on watching, loves. So start off by priming the eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. You can use any eye primer. I think it's actually recommended that you use a primer that you want. But I'm not going to set this. I'm just going to buff it out and blend it out and then leave it be. Then I'm going to go into the shade or the color B in the James Charles palette. And I'm just putting that all over my lid with this e.l.f. I think this is a concealer brush or a flat eyeshadow C brush. And I'm just packing that on as much as I see fit. You can put it on as you desire. If you want it more intense, put more color, which you'll see me do throughout this video. And if you want it just a little light, something slight, you can put on less color. So it's really up to you. This is one of those looks that doesn't have to be too precise. But you do want to make sure you blend out the edges, which is why I'm taking this Ruby Kisses fluffy brush. And I'm just diffusing the edges. Then I'm going into that shade, I think it's called Pukey, I'm not sure, in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm using that as my crease / transition shade. So I wanted like a bright yellow and a warmer sun golden yellow. And this was perfect because I didn't want it to be orange. So just buff that in the crease above that yellow shade. And this is really just a look that is all about going back into the color on the lid, as you see me do here, and then going into the other color and using a fluffy brush. So it's all about packing down and blending. This is a pressed pigment, so you will have to press it to get the most color payoff, which is what you see me doing here after I've laid it down. And then you just really have to be gentle around the edges. So like I said, it's all about packing it down, getting it as bold, as intense as you want, and then using a fluffy brush to diffuse the edges, which is what I am doing here. Then I'm going to put on some lashes. These are Miss lashes. I honestly found them laying around, y'all. So I'm so sorry, but any lashes that you like will do. I thought these were really pretty and flirty. And I never do my lashes on camera, so you're welcome. I decided to switch it up today since I'm not doing face. I went ahead and put on a lash. So I will have a separate lash video that I will be doing. But yeah, just pop on lashes, no liner. You can if you want to, but I didn't. I thought it looked really pretty just like this. So now we're going back into that shade under the eyes in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And of course I did my face off camera because I just did a foundation routine. So you can check that out on my channel. But yeah, I'm just putting that underneath my lash line. And then I'm going in with that yellow to kind of blend it out and give the same effect we have on the top, on the bottom. I love when the whole look comes together. Make sure you are connecting those outer corners so that the whole look ties in. Then I'm using my Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara to blend my lashes with the false ones. I always do it in this order because my lashes are super curly and they've been getting longer. Shout out to my vitamins. So yeah, I have to do it like this or they will be in the way, sis. So then I'm using that same mascara to define my lower lashes just to kind of make this look pop a little bit more. Then I'm just dusting away all the excess powder on my face. This is a normal step that I do after I finish off my eyes. So yeah, just take your time and make sure you get all of the powder off your face that doesn't need to be there. Then I'm taking this blush and placing that in the areas I normally place blush. I always place down, then I blend out, which is what you see me doing here. And I'll have the blush in the description box because I forgot what it's called. And so now I am taking 2 contour powders. This is the Nicka K contour duo. And I'm just using this bobby pin to create some faux freckles. So I go in between the dark and the lighter brown to create variation. Then I go over my nose and under my eyes. That's normally where I focus freckles. I don't put them all over my face. And so you want to make sure you take the sponge and pat them in as you go. So put them down, pat them in, and then, yeah. So now I'm taking this Hikari highlighter. This is old, y'all. I always use this highlighter. But I thought it was pretty because it was gold based. And I didn't want something too glittery because I did do the freckles and I want the eyes to be the focus. So I'm just highlighting in the areas I normally do on my cheeks and my nose and my Cupid's bow. And this is such like a buttery, nice highlighter. And then I'm taking my Rimmel London Stay Matte Setting Spray. And we are spraying and setting our face, honey, so it looks like skin and it doesn't look like cake face. And then I pat that in with my sponge to get that effect, okay? So you want to make sure it is getting into the skin, not sitting on top. Now we're going in with lips. I'm just using this brown liner by Ruby Kisses. I'll have it listed down below. And then I'm going to go on top with my NYX Butter Gloss in Prailene. Perfect kind of brownish shade to go with this look, but you can do any lip that you want. You can do a color or you can do something more nude and less brown. Really up to you. So I'm just placing that down and then I'm going to go over that with my liner again just to make it a little bit darker. It wasn't to my liking. And that is pretty much the finished look,